Offenburg has numerous positive sides, including being both an attractive shopping town with a promenade in the historic city center, and it's a gateway to the Black Forest. The town's cheerful and pleasant atmosphere with its historic city center that has a combination of wide variety of architectural styles waiting to be explored. Offenburg, nestled in the heart of Baden-Württemberg, Germany, offers an ideal blend of adventure, culture, and relaxation, inviting tourists from all over the world to immerse in a defined, memorable experiences. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Offenburg should be included in your itinerary, keep watching, because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Offenburg. The town is easy to explore on foot. The Hauptbahnhof is also within easy walking distance from the city center. Your city center shopping experience thrives on the diverse range of shops and restaurants, the inviting atmosphere of the streets and squares, and the ambience of the old town. The historic city center, which combines a wide variety of architectural styles, is a must-see. The Baroque town hall in the city center dates back to 1741. Above the balcony, under a flat gable, you can see Offenburg's city coat of arms. The Veris birds were created by the artist couple Ingrid and Dieter Veris are located near the town hall. They are mounted on rotating supports and becomes the main attraction in the pedestrian zone, especially for children. The Royal Court and the picturesque fish market with its lion fountain from 1599 is bordered by the Hirsch Apotheke and Salzhaus are also worth seeing. Offenburg's landmark, the Ursula Column, named after Saint Ursula, has adorned the town hall square since 1960. Saint Ursula is the patron saint of Offenburg. Dominating the city's skyline is the Holy Trinity Church. It was built between 1906 and 1908 as a neo-Romanesque basilica. At the Offenburg Weekly Market, there is a little more of everything. Experience for yourself the enticing charm, the stimulating atmosphere, the authentic offerings, and the warm friendliness of the market vendors. Enjoy your leisurely selection from the abundant, freshly harvested produce offered by local vendors. Organic products are available at many stalls. From picturesque walks to immersive cultural experiences, Offenburg is more than just a holiday destination. It's a place where joyful stories are experienced. Indeed, Offenburg is a place where tradition and modernity enter into a harmonious combination to create a fascinating story. A city that enchants with charm, diversity, and warm hospitality. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!